President Trump's new tariffs on Canada, Mexico and China mark a bold but controversial step in his America First strategy. With a 25% levy on Canada and Mexico and a 10% duty on Chinese goods, Trump aims to realign global trade in the US's favor while curbing drug trafficking. However, the economic and diplomatic repercussions would weaken American influence. While Trump's tactics have yielded short-term concession, such as Canada appointing a fentanyl czar and Mexico deploying troops to its northern border, the long-term consequences remain uncertain. The tariffs risk pushing allies towards alternative markets, particularly China and the European Union. If these nations view the US as an unreliable trade partner, they may pivot to economic blocs that exclude American interests. Beyond trade, Trump's border foreign policy approach, including suspending military aid to Ukraine and pressuring NATO members, has encouraged some European countries to bolster their own defense capabilities. While the shift aligns with Trump's desire for reduced American military commitments, it could also diminish US strategic influence. Meanwhile, allies like Australia fear the unpredictability of US policies, especially if Trump forges independent deals with China that leave traditional partners exposed. Retaliatory measures from Canada and China have already begun. Canada announced a 25% tariff on $30 billion of American goods, expanding to $125 billion within weeks. While China imposed duties on key US agricultural products. Market instability has followed, with stock prices dipping in response to trade tensions. If Trump's strategy results in stronger trade terms and reduced reliance on foreign adversaries, it may be deemed a success. However, if it re-alienates allies and diminishes US economic standing, America could find itself more isolated than ever.